Hello folks, today I want to talk about contractor cons, and here we go. These people literally come in here, sold a whole bunch of crap, sold them these braces here, these dead men coming into here, and they did it because they said the foundation wall is falling in. Absolutely, I mean, and because of these couple of these cracks. Now, these cracks, you can see this one been here for a long time. This one here is maybe not so long, and it is some problems, but it's not caving in. It's not caving in. These people sold them a bunch of crap, sold them thousands of dollars. Look here, you can look down the wall. You don't see it bowing. It looks good. I mean, they sell them thousands of dollars now. Now, every time they try to sell this house, they see these things sitting in here, and they're going to freak everybody out. And they just destroyed the value of the property because these dadgum foundation companies are nothing but a bunch, but not all of them. There's some great ones, but they are just absolutely rip-offs. I mean, this is disgusting how they steal from people and destroy their property values. And this is just bullshit. Now, we do have an issue right here, but that's, but do you see it? What's happened here? See that crack right here? Because we see deflection. All right. Now, the dead man here, or this here brace that's sitting right here, whatever you want to call it, different parts of the country calls them all kinds of things, wall supports or whatnot, that is not going to actually so much be the effect. Correct this. There's easier ways and smarter ways. How we would have done this, an engineer would have done this, not a foundation repair ripoff company. You would have taken a steel plate on this side. You would have put a steel plate on the outside. You would have bolted the two together, and that would have taken care of it. Why? Because look at my windows. See the window? That means that my ground is below this right here. So this is literally below the ground. And this is what they did. And these people are such a rip-off company. They just went just as low. They didn't go very deep. They did not even get behind the frost line. That's just how horrible this is. Anyway, folks, look at this. And you can look down this wall and you can see it's not caving in. You can see it. This just irritates me no end. This is why we do construction expert witnessing for litigation work all the time. And foundation people are one of the people that we see all the time. That always get into sites of stealing from people. Anyway, folks, thanks for watching our videos. Thanks for listening to me, bitch. But my stars, man, you have a question like this on yours, you just comment and let me know. Contact me personally. A lot of times I can help you absolutely for free through our Construction Consumer Advocacy Institute. We do this for free all the time to help people. And you got a problem, you let us know, see what we can do to help you. Do not let these people destroy your house and lower your value and cost you thousands and thousands of dollars for screwing you over. Thanks, folks, for watching our videos. God bless. Hit like and subscribe if you found some good substance out of this. And if you'd like to have more great information, follow us, and we would greatly appreciate you. God bless. Thank you, folks.